Greetings. Okay, good morning, church. Thank you for this day. And we are going to celebrate the 69th birthday of this church. Praise God. And it's our wish that this church will last for many more years. I appreciate the presence of our friends here. Now in front of me is Brother Rod, good friend of mine. Thank you for having him as a friend here in the church. Bye. Greetings po. Greetings.
Hello. Happy 69th anniversary. It's so good to be here. Makita ng maraming mga young ones so active. Talagang hindi ko na makilala. They're so beautiful. They are so active. Thank you so much for reminding me to come here once in a while. Thank you.
Happy birthday.